First ranked match of the night. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, here we go. He wants to go second. Okay, that's interesting. We're doing it on Omega. Back with a ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the death list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! So a foolish Alpha, Nova, Zeta, and here we go. Alpha, Benton, Zeta, Tribute Benton, Special, Activate Effect, Add Ritual, Benton is gonna add Diviner, XZ Summon, also no beta Fafnir, Fafnir's Effect, Gamma, okay. Diviner, Activate Effect. Check the grave here. Okay. Well, so I'm gonna get this. So I'll still do the arc light effect. Adding, it has to be a fairy. It has to be a fairy. Item with a question mark. Okay, now I could do medium DRYTRON, ultimateness. I'll detach from Mu Beta, put him in defense. And then I go medium from the grave, decrease by 1000, add back to hand, activate for, oh shit. No, I need this. I need the fairy in my hand. So we'll do N10 detach from Mu Beta. Alright. Okay. Beatrice with Diviner and Benton. Activate Beatrice, detach Diviner, dump Eva. Eva's effect. Banish, banish, add, and add. Okay. I don't know why I can't do the 2 different DRYTRONs, but it says with different names. So from here, we go. Wait, oh. No. We'll save and tribute Mu Beta. Summon Gamma from the grave, activate effect, special summon one of the DRYTRONs. Doesn't really matter. And then we'll turn these 2 into birthday effect, copy, red eyes fusion, the Dragoon, Dark Magician, and Red eyes Black Dragon, Yugioh Shogun. Red eyes, dark trigger. I'm just gonna activate his effect now. Target. Attempt to turn it to a dark Beatrice, but I will negate. Shit. Discard. Destroy, gain 1,000. That's about it. Tornado. He's gonna draw. I'm gonna shotgun Beatrice. Detach Band 10. Send to the grave Eva. Eva's effect. Banish the other Eva in Band 10. To add orange and diviner. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negates. He has 6 cards. Let's do this. I don't know what he's playing. But he had nothing. He had nothing. He had 6 cards, I had 6 negates. It's broken. I don't know. Or should I go all 3 with this? Yeah. Oh, I mean finish. There we go, the masked man. Wrong dude. Dude. Ooh, Dark World Dealing. That's okay, I could just dump Alpha. Oh, setting a card. Is that 2? Oh, it's zombies! Oh, shit. Oh, that's it though. That's it though. Well, let's do it. Alpha, tribute, Zeta. Effect, add Benton. Zeta. Activate, tribute, Benton. Special something from the grave, activate effect, add the ritual. Benton. I already have this though. Interesting. What happened? Another gate. Since I already have, I think I will grab just for protection. I'll go for Mobeta. Mobeta's effect. It's gonna do Gamma. This is the same combo. Diviner, activate effect. Dump effect. Oh! It's got something. That's gonna add ultimateness. Activate ultimateness. Detach from Kishki Shogun. Oh, I should have put him in fucking attack mode. I thought it was game or turn 1. Fuck. God. I'm gonna have to try to OTK him here. What do I have in the grave? Okay. Oh, Nova, Delta. Delta, okay. You have, oh, was I loser? What the heck? Ooh, I still have this too. Holy crap. I screwed up with the ultimateness in defense. Bullshit. Oh, should have probably put him over here because that could have been an imperm or something. Attach from the beta. Okay. It's got something. Beatrice. Beatrice effect. Detach. What does he have? Dump Eva. What the fuck happened to Eva's effect? Oh. Zombie world, right. Fuck. I keep activating it here. What the fuck? Probably do another. Another alpha. Probably should have took Medionis. Yeah. I want to get this draw. Or Delta. Reveal. Okay. I need to get rid of that, so I can go. Nightmare Phoenix Zombie World. Fuck. Drago Necro, another Soul Dragon. Oh, my ultimateness. Damn you. Oh. That's okay. Oh no, what is this? What the f— Alright. Well, it shows one card. Choice from the hand or deck. What the fuck? I don't get it. I'll do from the grave. 1. At least 6? What the fuck is this? What? 1, 2. What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those keep those. What? Bruh. 3. I'm gonna time out trying to fucking do this shit. What the fuck did I do? Sheesh. Yeah, okay. And my turn. Holy fuck. Winning grave virus. What the hell? Just gonna kill himself, alright. He's gonna use his effect, main phase 2, to banish this card, Mizuki, and target zombie. Oh, mind control. I think I'm gonna keep that. Gonna take Ferte because he can't be Yugioh can't be targeted. So is he gonna Mizuki? Does he have a zombie in there? No, he doesn't. This guy's a dragon. Rough. Thoro. Destroy all cards. All monsters among them. Okay. It's already over. This battle. Triggering. Direct attack. Let's do this. Did I win up by 10 or what the? Let's see here. Crap. Yeah, I did win up by 10. Come on, let me go up by 20. Come on. 128. 128 still. Come on. Comment, share, like, sub if you liked it. See you guys.